In the beginning, when the earth was formless and empty, and darkness covered the deep waters, the Spirit of God hovered over the surface of the waters. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw that the light was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness night. On the second day, God said, "Let there be a space between the waters to separate the waters of the heavens from the waters of the earth." And so it was. God made this space to divide the waters above from the waters below. God called the space sky. On the third day, God said, "Let the waters beneath the sky flow together into one place, so dry ground may appear." And so it was. God called the dry ground land, and the waters seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land sprout with vegetation, every sort of seed-bearing plant and trees that grow seed-bearing fruit." And so it was. The land produced vegetation, all sorts of seed-bearing plants, and trees with seed-bearing fruit, and God saw that it was good. On the fourth day, God said, "Let lights appear in the sky to separate the day from the night. Let them be signs to mark the seasons, days, and years. Let these lights in the sky shine down on the earth." And so it was. God made two great lights, the larger one to govern the day and the smaller one to govern the night. He also made the stars. God set these lights in the sky to light the earth, to govern the day and night, and to separate the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. On the fifth day, God said, "Let the waters swarm with fish and other life. Let the skies be filled with birds of every kind." And so it was. God created great sea creatures and every living thing that scurries and swarms in the water, and every sort of bird, each producing offspring of the same kind. And God saw that it was good. Then God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply. Let the fish fill the seas, and let the birds multiply on the earth." On the sixth day, God said, "Let the earth produce every sort of animal, each producing offspring of the same kind, livestock, small animals that scurry along the ground, and wild animals." And so it was. God made all sorts of wild animals, livestock, and small animals, each able to produce offspring of the same kind, and God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make human beings in our image, to be like us. They will reign over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, the livestock, all the wild animals on the earth, and the small animals that scurry along the ground." So God created human beings in his own image. In the image of God, he created them. Male and female, he created them. Then God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply. Fill the earth and govern it. Reign over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, and all the animals that scurry along the ground." And God looked over all he had made, and he saw that it was very good. And evening passed, and morning came, marking the sixth day. On the seventh day, God rested from all his work of creation. He blessed the seventh day and declared it holy, because it was the day when he rested from all his work of creation. And that, boys and girls, is the end of our creation story.